Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to talk about the Namedtuple, which is a functionality of the collections module and is basically a tuple that allows us to access elements more easily. So first of all, we have to import it from the collections module. So from collections import Namedtuple, like so. And now I'm going to create a Namedtuple by writing a variable data, which is going to equal Namedtuple. And then inside of here, I'm going to put the name of my Namedtuple, which is going to be data, and then the parameters I want it to have. So for example, name, and then age, and then birthday. So birthday, like so. So I haven't populated my Namedtuple yet. I've just set the parameters I want it to have. So to actually create a Namedtuple with the information I have to write, for example, Mike data is going to equal my tuple data, which is, well, the name of my Namedtuple. And then these parameters which I'm going to define. So his name is obviously going to be Mike. His age is going to be 23. And his birthday is going to be, for example, 05/12, like so. And I could do the same thing with another person. So for example, Mary data is going to equal data. And then her name is going to be Mary. She's going to be 25. And her birthday is going to be 09/07, like so, for example. So what we're saying here is that we've created a Namedtuple called data, and we want it to have these categories. And then we've created a variable Mike data, which is going to equal a Namedtuple data. And then we've defined the categories name, age, and birthday. And we did the same thing for Mary. So let me just print Mike data so that you can see what it looks like. So, okay, so this is what it looks like. And now imagine that I want to access only Mike's age, for example. I can also do that. I can write print Mike data dot age, which is the parameter here that I've defined. And then this is going to give me 23, which is going to be Mike's age. Okay, so that's basically it for this video. I hope it was easy to understand. This isn't really hard to understand at all, but if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask, and I'll see you in the next one.